Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video, explaining that it shows how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 10. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open any web browser such as Edge, Chrome, or Firefox, and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Step 2. Click the official download link for Adobe Acrobat Reader from Adobe's website. Step 3. Click the Download Acrobat Reader button. The download will start automatically. Step 4. Open your browser's menu, 3 dots in the top right, and go to Downloads to find the file you just downloaded. Step 5. Click the downloaded installer file to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to finish. After installation complete, click Finish to launch the program. You've now successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows computer. Closing remarks reminding viewers to like and subscribe for more tutorials.